Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Infiniti Q50 key fob. First, gather all key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Ensure all doors are closed and unlocked before you begin the process. This preparation is crucial for a smooth programming experience. To enter programming mode, insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 6 times within a 10-second window. Your hazard lights will flash twice, indicating successful entry into programming mode. Next, insert the key back into the ignition and turn it to the ACK position. This sets the stage for programming your fobs. Now, with the key in the ACK position, take your first key fob. Press any button on it once. The hazard lights will flash a single time, confirming that this fob has been programmed. For any additional fobs, repeat this step within 10 seconds of the previous one. This ensures all your fobs are recognized. To exit programming mode, simply remove the key from the ignition. Now, it's time to test each of your newly programmed key fobs. Check all functions, including locking, unlocking, and trunk release, to ensure they work correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Just repeat the entire programming process from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.